Welcome to DesktopSites Konect Elite Cloud Management Software Solution Overview. Today we'll be looking at the key features of the Konect Elite software. Let's take a look at some key features under Setup. Clicking on the Konect Server tab allows IT administrators to quickly check the health of their Konect server environment. What is key is that the Konect services are up and running, indicated by a green arrow. Under the Remote Access tab, you can choose between the Konect and Microsoft RD Gateway. The Konect Gateway is set by default to get you up and running quickly. For an added layer of security using SSL, we recommend the Microsoft RD Gateway. The great thing is Konect will auto-provision the gateway for you. Under the Users and Groups tab, here's where you add Active Directory users as valid Konect users. Konect users can now be distributed resources that they can now access using their Active Directory credentials. In addition, Konect also enables remote desktop access for each user. The Load Balancing tab allows you to create load balancing farms. In each farm, you can have multiple servers. Konect will auto-configure a Konect agent on each server within the farm. The Konect agent is used to communicate between the Konect server and the servers within the farm. This is used for load balancing. Konect is set for round robin by default to give you the best performance. In addition, Konect has made it very easy to use group policy security settings to secure the servers in the farm and the users accessing them. Load balancing's key feature is to publish out session-based server remote applications and desktops to a specific user or group. Now let's take a look at the Konect VM Center. The Konect VM Center was specifically designed to support and integrate with the Microsoft Hyper-V virtualization technology. Let's take a look at all hosts. Here you can add host servers into the VM Center. Once added, Konect will now sync the VMs and their real-time data from the host server using Hyper-V. In the main pane, you can see the virtual machines on the selected host server. By selecting a VM, you can see its snapshots and its machine details in the summary, including a real-time thumbnail. In your right action pane, you have real-time control over a selected VM. Here are some key features to note. By selecting Konect, you can connect to the VM console. This allows you to fully interact with the selected VM. Selecting Settings allows full management of the selected VM. You can also create virtual machine templates that are stored into the Konect VM library. These templates can then be used to create new virtual machines. Now let's take a look at personal and pooled desktops. In both personal and pooled, you can create desktop groups. Personal desktop groups are used to assign a persistent virtual desktop to a specific user. The key benefit is to allow a user to fully customize and personalize their desktop. Pooled desktop groups are used to dynamically assign a specific user to a virtual desktop within a pool. When a user logs into their pooled desktop, they get a predefined workspace that they start from. Like personal desktops, the user has full customization and personalization privileges. However, when the user logs out, the pooled desktop is reverted back to its predefined image. The key benefit of pooled desktops is to ensure that when a user logs into a pooled desktop, they begin working from a predefined workspace. Now let's take a look at the VM library. Before you can create virtual machine templates, you will have to set up at least one library share to save your template to. Under VM templates is a list of virtual machine templates that you can use to create new virtual machines. Under Guest OS profiles, you can use predefined templates that are used when creating VM templates. The key benefit of the VM library is to have quick and easy access to predefined VM templates. Now let's take a look under Publishing. Clicking on the Application tab allows you now to publish and manage remote applications and the users accessing them. In your right action pane, to publish an application, select Add App. A wizard will pop up to guide you through the publishing process. Konekt also allows you to publish app groups by selecting New App Group in your right action pane. App groups allow IT administrators to assign specific applications into a working folder. The key benefit of application publishing is to make specific applications available to specific users when logging into the Konekt client. Let's take a look at the Konekt Drive. Clicking on the Konekt Drive tab, in the main pane, you can see a list of servers and the available shares on them. Here, each user can be assigned multiple shares to a single drive letter. The key benefit of the Konekt Drive is that when a user logs into their Konekt client, a Konekt Drive is dynamically mapped into their client desktop, allowing them secure access to shares, files, and data from a single drive letter. And last, let's take a look at the Konekt license. When you install Konekt for the first time, you are granted a 10-user 30-day license. To register for a valid Konekt server license, click Register in the right action pane. A valid license key will be sent to you within 24 hours. Simply install the Konekt license on your Konekt server and you're ready to go. This concludes the Konekt Elite Cloud Management Software Solution Overview. To learn more about Konekt Elite, contact Desktop Sites at www.desktopsites.com.